Hello, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Gilbert Gamas, and this afternoon I just wanna share you guys my experience when it comes to handling and operating a business. I read a post online, particularly in Facebook, about this entrepreneur or a businesswoman who posted a status on Facebook that she said she is renting five commercial spaces within Metro Manila, and then she said 70% of her sales from the previous month went down. So it means na 70% from her previous month, let's say for the month of March, kung bumenta siya ng 1 million, pagdating ng April, ang benentan lang na is 300,000 pesos. And given that she is paying high rental fees with these five commercial spaces, and then some of her spaces have more than three staff na kailangang pasweldohin. Um, sa business kasi, it's really risky. So you can't really tell kung kailan ka kikita, kailan ka malulugi, or kailan ka magi-struggle. Sa akin, I've been doing this business, my freight forwarding business. I've been doing this since 2020, and there was a moment na talagang nag-ramp, or as in kumita. But dumating yung araw na talagang I was challenged, and I faced struggles since a business, until one day I've noticed na hindi na kami bumibenta, or talagang wala nang benta. Most especially for the service industry. Kasi sa service industry, the people are really expecting something beyond what's being promised. Lalo na sa logistics or sa courier services, that they wanted to have their parcel, they wanted to have their items to be delivered on time. But as we know na here in the Philippines, there are really challenges when it comes to deliveries due to our geographical segmentation. So, yan. So, humina yung ating sales, and wala. So, I ended up closing these branches. So, prior to that, I had like 15 branches na, but eventually in year 2023, taling nag-drop, as in hirap talaga makapag-survive, and I was paying salaries from employees, I was paying rentals, so I decided to shut it down. So now I am reviving my business with the help of my business partner, and it's really a challenging part kasi, di ba, I already had or I already tasted success, but eventually nag-underwent ako ng challenges, lalo na sa finances. But now, sabi nga nila na ang yung success kasi, it's not, or the failure is not fatal, and success is not final. It's the willingness, or the courage that counts. So big sabihin, kung ngayon ikaw ay nahihirapan sa iyong negosyo, it's not yet fatal. Ibig sabihin, kaya mo pang makabawi. And now, if you're experiencing success, wag mo rin sabihin na successful ka na, kasi once na umikot yung gulong, umikot yung bilog, yung mundo, there will be a tendency na mapupunta ka sa dun sa down. So, di mo masasabi na if you are successful now, that would be the final journey of your life. Ang mahalaga lang dun kasi, even if you feel na your business is not moving, your business is not earning, the most important thing there is you continue fighting, and you stand or you do what is right, especially sa business. So tuloy lang, and hanggang sa ma-achieve mo na yung dreams mo, ma-achieve mo na yung goals mo, like to have your own house, car, and whatever things you wanted to have in life. So, yun lang sa mga fellow businessmen, fellow businesswomen, entrepreneurs. Don't stop. Just continue, and who knows, one day you will harvest the success. Have a great day.